Alright, we got a new computer ready to go. This is the HP, I think it's a Pavilion or Slim. It's a HP Slim 2600. Hey, yes. Yep, you got your light. Yep. And here's the front. Yep. And you know that's the. So this is the power button right here, and we have a mouse and the keyboard, and over there on the front. Oh. And over there we have a CD drive or disc player, and we have a headphone or audio jack, an SD card, and USBs. Alright, it's ready.
USA, huh?
USA, yep. I got the flashlight turned on. Keyboard layout, yes. Alright, I don't want the second keyboard layout. It's alright. Alright, let's connect to my Wi-Fi.
That's already, huh?
It's connected.
Dang.
Enter the network security key.
You know what that is? Here, I'll hold it.
You hold it, right?
Well, we don't want them to see you type that in, so.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. If you want to, you can put the camera down next to the vent, and that way you can see the fan.
You should edit that out with KinoMaster anyway.
Yeah.
And jump right to the upload to the enter.
Enter, yeah.
Is it typing? No.
Oh. I think it's.
I don't know if it's plugged in or not.
I don't know it's plugged in. I don't know if keyboard's plugged in or not.
Is it a Bluetooth keyboard?
Oh, it just lets you switch it on, yes.
Oh.
Alright.
Alright.
Yep.
There you go.
Let's put the camera down.
Oh, that's wireless.
Wireless.
That's pretty cool.
Alright. Connecting.
This might be a really good computer.
It's connected. Yes.
Good deal. Next.
Next. Now we have important setup to do. It gives you like a setup wizard, right? Do you like that thing?
Yeah, you like doing that. I know that.
Hey, Daddy, do you like that?
Yeah.
It will like walk you through your instructions of how to set up.
Make sure you put the right birthday in if it asks you.
When it's prompted on the screen, it tells me
What
when.
happened the last time?
I know, yeah, I do remember that story.
You remember your birthday?
Yeah.
What?
6/9/2005.
Okay.
Got some cool stuff. And here's the monitor controls. We have menu and volume down and a screen plus and auto select.
What's new from Windows?
Yeah. And here's all the controls right there. All right, license terms. Yep. I'm always accept my license terms. Alright. Sign in with Microsoft. Alright. Let's see. Alright, let me go ahead and put the camera down so nobody can see that. Right, Daddy?
Right.
Daddy, do you like to put the camera down next to the vent? In that case, so we can see the fan. You could even put the camera on the front or whatever.
For those colors that are hard to get into, but I can't get into them. Yeah, it's supposed to help.
Okay.
So you just stop it.
Please wait. Alright, just a moment.
Is the mouse wireless too?
It is.
Dang.
Alright, create a pin.
What's the pin gonna be? You remember now.
Make sure you don't say the pin over the
No,
video.
don't do that.
We don't want that.
Oh, what's that?
Alright, do across more devices. Alright. Let's see.
Let me see what this is.
Get instant access to your Android photos, Android phones, photos,
That's
text
pretty
notifications.
We don't need to do that.
We don't want. Alright. Okay.
Do it later.
Do it later. Back up your files with OneDrive. Do you want that?
I don't think we need to worry about that right now.
Yeah, I don't worry about OneDrive. I don't know what OneDrive is.
We don't need that.
But I know on when you get like a Windows PC, yeah, it has OneDrive. Alright.
If that was my gift,
Alright.
I mean, you get those headaches, and then you do this thing with your face.
Alright.
Your visions are kind of lame. Far? That's nice of A. I mean, they should send you one of those self-destructing tapes, you know, that come with a dossier.
Okay, well, you should have mentioned. Hey, you the one that out these cards?
Do you need help?
Well, I was wondering if this is really your number. Mind if I ring you up sometime for a date? Yeah, if she minds.
I can handle this, okay? Yes, I mind. This is a business card. We offer our services to people in need.
Well, I might be in the
Alright. Look. Alright. Now we just need to like wait for a few things.
Alright.
So ready for me.
Alright.
Good, awesome. Alright. May take several minutes.
Okay.
Alright. Hey Daddy, how do you like about this
See it.
after
It's
what
pretty cool so far. So far, so good.
so it knows like after you like set up your PC, it will have this message, right?
Show them that again.
It's how many doctors I've had. Oh, God, way to come up like a drunken slow.
Hmm?
So that's what I'm gonna
And here,
Logitech.
Logitech mouse and keyboard right there.
HP.
HP, and
What kind of mouse is it?
it's a Logitech mouse.
Cool.
Hey Daddy, do you know what this is?
What was
A
that?
disc player.
What's all that on the front?
The front
What's
has
that big wide port?
wipe this.
Yeah.
It's an SD card reader.
I know what those are.
Yeah, these are
That's the
USBs.
mic jack right there.
Yep. And what is this? A disc player. Over there.
How many drives you got back here? You got an HDMI and two, looks like four.
Can you see
I
the
forget.
video?
Oh,
Can you see it?
yeah.
No, it's okay.
Looks like four USBs,
Yep. That's
one
cool.
HDMI.
HDMI, yep.
So you got four on the front, on the back, and then how many on the front?
2 of them.
6 total.
Yep. And a disc player, right? Remember that disc player? They see me working on it for hours.
No, I'm sure that one works perfect.
Awesome.
Hmm?
Welcome to Windows.
Check it out.
that.
Wow. You in?
We in.
Oh, does it got Chrome on there?
You have to like download
You
it,
install Chrome.
install and download it.
Yeah. You know how to do that?
Yep,
You do?
I do. Yeah, you just need to like go to your Microsoft Edge because that's how you like. If you like on Internet Explorer, then click on the download Chrome. Ready then.
Oh,
Download
just like
Google
that,
Chrome
okay.
just like that. My battery on my
low?
phone is really low. Yes.
Mhm.
Download. Yes. Run.
That's it, huh?
That's it.
That's easy.
You just click the download and then click the run when it's prompted.
Wild. Us meeting over a bar fight. Isn't it great when two people make a connection? It's late.
Yeah,
Oh.
I should probably. Well, if you have to leave, I understand.
Alright, yes.
Wow. Love it.
Love it. You got cool stuff on.
Nice. I
Look.
think it's probably a nicer.
On
computer
your
than the one
mark.
you bought.
On your marks.
Which one you think is better, this one or the other one?
I don't know. I like both of them.
Yeah, they're both about the same.
About the same. Almost the same.
I heard you sense that everybody here tonight.
I wonder which one's got the stronger processing power.
Power, yeah, and fans.
He used to go to bars.
Remember that?
Does that have something to do with the fans?
I don't know.
Something about the processor.
The processor is,
We all had so much in common.
but the fan cools down your processor and all of that.
So if you got a bigger fan, it's usually a stronger computer. Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Oh,
Bigger fan.
I see.
Gotta kick you out now.
Well, it can't be too big because it's a small unit.
Yep. That's why the fan doesn't make as much noise, right?
Today, because of your curse thing.
But you may hear some fan noise on startup, you know, right?
True happiness and
Right, Daddy?
become whole again and kill everyone.
Thanks, Cordelia. I always appreciate it.
Download complete, installing.
No problem.
That's it.
Hey,
Yep.
thing I want is to show up at
Pretty
the office.
fast.
Very fast desktop thing.
Oh, you know what I watched last night on the video?
Yes.
You know how we got that splitter upstairs for the internet connection?
What?
That splitter that's on the internet, on the router?
The splitter? Yeah. What
It
is
says
that?
if you take the splitter off and put the wire right into the router, you get a better connection.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if we took it off or not yet.
I don't know yet.
It says you ought to restart the router every few days too.
Look, installed.
Oh,
Google Chrome is installed.
just like that.
Just like this.
Make Chrome your own.
Started.
You know, this completely what? I don't even know what I'm looking for anymore. Looking for any mention of events in and around that bar.
Okay, I'm in the news group search engine. Now what's the name of the place again?
That's cool, Daddy. Very cool. So cool.
Okay, capital D. Apostrophe.
It's working.
Dang, that was fast.
Now what's after that again?
Yeah,
Hey, you know what? I
I
need
just had to get one thing.
no, well, shaving stuff.
I think this might be a faster computer. I don't know. Seems like it, but
Mommy, it's
all
working.
wireless
Doesn't
and
make it in it? Yeah.
everything. It's got 6 USBs,
Hello.
a couple of other
Got two
things.
lips.
Huh?
Yep.
News for Heather Nolan.
It's showing it up a little bit.
24-year-old paralegal reportedly vanished after leaving the downtown bar.
All right, William, I got you this. I couldn't find that shave stuff.
Second one, say.
No.
Badly mutilated body become.
Were you use of that too? In that
Oh,
gray
sometimes
bottle?
I do if I just don't want it to smell like
has been
whatever.
positively identified as that of 28-year-old Martin Haber, last seen with an unidentified female companion at Dublin, a trendy singles establishment. That's it.